What was the discussion that has taken place till now? What is the situation?
So we are going to work.
That is already decided. You are going to work on it.
And there is a team from our side who will sit with Jitendra ji, and we will sit and finalize the strategy and the seats and where we'll fight together. So Jitendra ji and the Congress delegation will sit very quickly and finalize the agreement.
So that is said that you are fighting together.
Well, it is definitely said that we are fighting together.
And seat sharing distribution.
Everybody will see us. No,
Yeah.
make it big circle.
Jitendra, till now, what is the development? New development. We know you are fighting
Today
together.
only we have been, that is, we have started the discussion, and we are very much open mind, and the people of Tripura, we shall fulfill the desire of the people of Tripura that during last 5 years, how the BJP, the gang of all the criminals, almost political criminals, they are looting and destroying our constitutional order. From there, the Tripura has to be saved. So, how this could be worked out to give that is, for respect to the people's sentiment, we shall materialize it. That is our commitment, that is our plan.
Do you believe that Tripura is a big force? Any joint appeal?
We have invited to them also.
To whom?
Of course, the chairman, and we have been talking to him also. Till today, he said that I will be in the fray to defeat BJP.
So why he did not turn up to this meeting?
You see, he's not well. He's not well. We can compel him that in this state of his health, that is to go here and there. So that's so we have been also discussing.
So it
in
seems
the right time, right place, that will come out. Don't worry.
It seems this CPIM, Congress and Tripura will be on one board.
You will see
Why?
time to come. ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের মানুষ গত 5 বছর এই বিজেপির যে তাদের যে দানবীয় শাসনে অতিষ্ঠ, এখান থেকে মুক্তি চান। এটা শুধু আমরা সিপিআইএম, বামফ্রন্ট, কংগ্রেস বা অন্য যারা ধর্মনিরপেক্ষ দল তাদের ইচ্ছা নয়, এটা ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের জনগণের ইচ্ছা। এই দলকে ত্রিপুরা ক্ষমতা থেকে হটাতে হবে। কাজেই এটাকে সম্মান জানিয়ে কিভাবে এটাকে বাস্তবে রূপ দেওয়া যায়, আমরা আজকে ফর্মাল আলোচনা শুরু করেছি। অতি শীঘ্রই এটাকে একটা কার্যকরী ভূমিকা, কার্যকরী পদক্ষেপের জায়গায় আমরা যাব। কাজেই ফাইনাল এখনো হয়নি, স্টার্টেড ওপেন হার্ট, অর্থাৎ খোলা মন নিয়ে আলোচনা শুরু করেছি। সোজা কথা যে সিটের চেয়ে বড় কথা হলো বিজেপিকে হারাতে হবে। কিভাবে হারাতে হবে সেই যে ভাবনা নিয়েই আমরা এগুচ্ছি, আমরা এগোবো এবং অন্যদেরকে আমরা আমাদের এই আলোচনাতে যুক্ত করব।
Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
That seat is not a factor. Rather, how BJP can be strong for coming back to power. That is the main factor.
Thank you.
Hello.
ভালো আছেন? ভালো